Good morning, Sona. I'm Rosia.
Good morning.
Have a seat, please.
Thank you.
How are you doing?
I'm doing fine, thank you.
How was the traffic coming over here?
I'm so glad that the traffic was light this morning. No traffic jam and no accidents.
That is good. Sona, let's start the interview. Are you ready?
Yes, I am.
Okay, so first of all, let me properly introduce myself. I'm the finance department manager. As you know, there's an open position in my department, and I need to fill this position as soon as possible.
What kind of qualifications do you require?
I require a 4-year college degree in finance. Some working experience would be helpful.
What kind of experience are you looking for?
Doing office work is good. However, since it's an entry-level position, I do not require a lot of experience. I'm willing to train the new person.
That is great.
Soma, tell me a little bit about yourself.
I studied at Bada School. After that, I became a student at West Coast University, and I just graduated with a bachelor degree in finance, and I've been working part-time as a payroll clerk for the last 2 years.
What are you looking for in a job?
The job should help me what Finance Day is all about. I've learned a lot of Finance Day theories at school, and now it is time for me to put them into practice.
Anything else?
I also hope that it will help me grow in my field.
What are your strengths? Why should I hire you?
I am a hard-working person and a fast learner. I'm very eager to learn, and I get along quite fine with people.
Okay, now let me ask you a few quick questions. You do not mind working long hours, do you?
No, I do not.
Can you handle pressure?
Yes, when I was going to school, I took quite a few courses each semester while working at least 20 hours every week, and I handled that situation very well.
Do you still have any questions for me?
No, I think I have a pretty good understanding of the job, and I believe that I can handle it with ease, and I hope to have the opportunity to work for you.
Nice meeting you, Soma. Thank you for coming.
Nice meeting you too. Thank you for seeing me.